press the brake though. It don't matter if you can't see right.
Yo, what's good? It's your boy Drip, man. Welcome back to Drip TV, and we about to get active today, man. I'm trying to tell you, today's the day I've been waiting on for the longest. We're going to this meet at Custom Tees, and my boy Mr. Goddamn gonna be there. You know when he come out, he bring all the Hellcats, and it's King of the Pit, so it's gonna be a whole lot of like sliding and all that going on. And yeah, man. Me and a few of the guys gonna head over there. We're gonna turn up, man. But sadly, I gotta drive the 4-door, man. Can't even drive the 2-door because it messed up on me. Driving down the road and the fuel pump went on me. So if I can get one today before the meet and put it in, then I'll drive that. If not, I'll drive the 4-door. But I'm gonna show y'all what it's doing. Crazy thing is, man, I was preparing for this meet though. To drive this, got tires, the camera kit put on, and shit won't act stupid. Hey, look, man.
I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no gas in it.
So all the men doing, man, it's fucking acting stupid. Oh no, man. It'll be alright, I'll get it fixed. Hopefully today. I want to drive this onto the meet, but it'll be alright if not. But that's the thing with this car, bro. I got a love-hate relationship with this car. Like, I love this car to death, but man, this shit done cost me so much money. Yeah, man, we about to head over there, see if I can get this part. If not, meet up with the boys. But we catch y'all. That jump deep, man. Got my CE with me.
Yeah, CE, my son.
Okay.
My son.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I'm ugly, bro.
Finally got in this jump. You gay. Finally got in this jump, man. That jump pretty deep, though. Look at the paint on this jump. This shit's crazy. This shit got a chain right here, bro.
Instagram tags on the side, bro.
Alright. I guess. Oh, that's so hard.
He ain't gonna say it.
Why didn't you press the brake though? It don't matter if you can't see. Why didn't you press the brake?
Nigga who wants smoke? Who wants smoke with me? I'm tryna fuck a nigga lungs up. They be like, no, don't put them down guns up. Fuck that. Say big butter right on guns out. Wanna smoke? We get the spinning while the sun out. I ain't never looking, I pump gas with my gun out. Scream out what's happening to get the bus until it run out. All these niggas hiding like where they got it, ain't no fun now. 762.
I didn't notice the other side.
And then it's split right in the middle.
Yeah.
I did not notice that other side.
Good stuff.
Yeah, man, meat gone. Had to start getting some McDonald's. A little dude. But nah, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Appreciate y'all. And we gone.